Hey guys, after watching this tutorial, you'll be able to learn how to insert picture within the PowerPoint efficiently. So I have this presentation document and one of the slide where I want to insert my picture. So this is the slide number 6 where I want to insert the picture. What I will do, I will go to the insert tab and you can see the picture option. Click this one and there are three type of sources where I can insert the picture either from this device or from the stock images or from the online pictures. So for this tutorial, I'll be using picture from my device. Click this one. A window will pop up. Now I need to see where my picture is. My picture is in downloads. Go there and scroll down where my picture is. If I click this one to my required picture, click insert. Now you can see the picture has been inserted. Now, if I click on this picture, click approve from here. Now I can resize the picture to make it look more presentable. So I want to have this size of the picture. And then when I click on the picture, you can see the picture format tab has been activated. So picture format tab is here. It has like different types of options. First option is you can see the remove background. I can easily remove the background if I don't like it. For example, this one, it will start removing the background. So keep the changing, discard all changes. I don't want to remove the background, so I will discard the changes. Second one is you can see the color. I can give the different color, color tone, color saturation, recolor. So whatever color I select, it will apply to this picture. So next one is transparency. I can make it fade like this one. So it will keep going, keep going. So I'm happy with this second number. So this type of transparency is okay with me. So next one is a style. You can see the picture style. I can make it round, square. So if I want like this round one, I click on this one. So it will change its style to round. And there are other options like picture border as well. You can select the color and then you can apply the border and picture effects. You can see there if you want to have shadow, like it will start showing the preview of the shadow like this one. I want this shadow, so it will apply on my picture. And again, I can adjust the height and width as well. If I want to have more width, I keep clicking, it will start making it big. And from this node, it will reduce its size. So this is how I can insert the picture, I can format the picture within the PowerPoint. Hit the like button if you like this video.